Welcome to Book Jobs Daily, the show where local business owners find the money hiding in missed calls, slow follow-up, weak reviews, and messy systems. I'm Star Riley, and each day we break down one local revenue leak, one simple AI-powered fix, and one action you can use to book more jobs. Today, we are fixing one leak that could be costing you real money.
Welcome to Booked Jobs Daily. I'm Star Riley, founder of MyUSALocal.com, and this is episode 14 for May 15th, 2026. This is your daily show for local business growth, practical AI, and revenue systems that help turn missed leads into booked jobs. Every day, we look at one problem costing local businesses money. Then we break down the simple system that can help fix it. Today's revenue leak is weak reviews, specifically 3-star reviews and lukewarm public feedback. By the end of this episode, you will know what is happening, why it matters, and one step you can take to protect your leads, improve your follow-up, and book more jobs. Let's get into it.
Hook. Nearly half of shoppers skip businesses with mixed or lukewarm reviews, and a 3-star is often treated like a problem to bury instead of a lead to call. What if, in 10 minutes, you could convert a 3-star review into a deposit-paid job? Today, I'll give you a 10-minute rescue sequence that treats weak reviews as active opportunities, not damage control headaches.
Section 1. Problem and story. Problem first. A lukewarm review signals hesitation. A customer didn't hate you, but they weren't delighted either. Customers read that and think, maybe there's risk here. Most owners do one of 3 things. They ignore the review, they write a defensive reply, or they call it a reputation problem and move on. All 3 throw away revenue. Ignoring it leaves a public signal of indifference. A defensive reply amplifies frustration. Moving on misses a warmed lead that's already engaged. Now the short story. A porch repair company got a public 3-star review after a staining job left streaks. The business owner first thought, it's just a review. But instead of arguing, they followed the rescue sequence. They posted a brief, empathetic reply publicly, then sent a private SMS within 24 hours offering a 20-minute site check and a quick fix for the streaks at no extra labor cost if they confirmed a deposit for deck sealing that week. The homeowner accepted the quick fix and paid a deposit for the full sealing job. Result, the 3-star turned into a deposit-paid job and the customer updated the review to 5 stars. This wasn't luck. It was a fast, human-first pivot that turned dissatisfaction into action.
Section 2. The 4-step rescue sequence you can use today. Step 1. Public reply within 24 hours. Keep it short, empathetic, and invitation only. Say something like, "Hi name, I'm sorry your experience wasn't excellent. We appreciate the feedback. Would you mind messaging us so we can make it right?" The goal is to show care publicly and move details offline. Step 2. Private reach out within 24 to 48 hours. Use SMS or a direct message. Personal, human, not scripted sounding. Example SMS. "Hi Sarah, Star from Coastal Decks here. I'm sorry about the streaks you noted on your porch. Could I stop by for 20 minutes tomorrow to look and offer a no-cost quick fix? If you like the result, we can schedule the rest and I'll set aside a small deposit to hold your spot." That message does 3 things. Acknowledges, offers a low-friction fix, and asks for a scheduling step tied to a deposit. Step 3. Quick fix offer. This is a 15 to 30-minute on-site touch-up or an easy remote solution. Make it free or low cost in exchange for a chance to deliver the fuller service. The quick fix shows you care and re-anchors the customer's perception. Step 4. Confirm/ask. After the fix, confirm satisfaction, send a simple invoice or deposit link, then gently ask if they'll update their review when they're happy. Example close. "Glad we could fix that for you. If you're pleased, would you consider updating your review? It helps small businesses a lot." Timing rules. Public reply within 24 hours, private outreach within 48, quick fix window within 3 to 5 days. Escalate sooner if health, safety, or admitted damage is mentioned.
Now the exact scripts, ready so you can copy-paste with one personal detail. Public reply, Google Facebook. "Hi name, I'm sorry your experience wasn't excellent. Thank you for the feedback. Please message us so we can learn what happened and make it right." Private SMS template. "Hi name, it's Star with MyUSALocal. I'm sorry we didn't meet your expectations. Can I stop by for 20 minutes tomorrow to assess and offer a quick fix? If you like the result, I can book the full service and hold your spot with a small deposit." Email follow-up, if you have email. Subject,
Quick fix for your recent service. Hi name, thanks for your feedback. I'd like to offer a free 20-minute visit to correct the issue and ensure you're satisfied. When would be a good time? If you'd prefer, we can schedule the full job and I'll send a deposit link to hold the date. Tone variations. Friendly, slightly formal for older customers, more direct for contractors or pros. Key rule. Personalize one detail. Name, street, or the specific complaint, and don't admit fault publicly. Section 3. Takeaways, metrics, and a 3-minute daily habit. Track 3 simple metrics. Number of week reviews responded to, conversion rate to private contact, and conversion to booked job/deposit. Signals to escalate. Customer reports injury, legal language, or requests for large refunds. Route those to a manager. When to book now versus let it go. Book now if they accept private outreach or ask for a fix. Let it go if they're abusive, repeatedly unreachable, or demand unreasonable compensation. Your 3-minute daily habit. 1. Open your reviews dashboard. 2. Flag every 3-star or below. 3. Post a public empathic reply and send one private message. That's it. 3 steps under 3 minutes. Over a week, you'll convert a handful of lukewarm reviewers into real work and better reputation.
Spend 10 minutes this afternoon and run the rescue sequence on your 3 most recent 3-star or lukewarm reviews. Use the templates I read today and personalize one detail per message. If you want a ready-to-use pack of scripts, timing sheets, and a response tracker, join my email list. I'll send the template kit and a short checklist you can start using immediately. Sign up at myusalocal.com/templates to get the templates emailed to you. It's free and built for quick wins.
Before you go, ask yourself one question. How many leads has your business missed this week? Missed calls, unanswered messages, old estimates, customers who never got a follow-up. That is hidden revenue, and that is exactly what we help you find. Book your AI opportunity audit today. We will uncover the leaks, show you the systems, and help you turn missed opportunities into booked jobs. I'm Star Riley. Thanks for listening to Booked Jobs Daily.